This is Social K class, and we are now on lesson 15, which is make a choice. So we just watched a little video about making decisions. And decisions are when we decide between two or more choices. So we're going to practice reading a little bit about that together, and we can discuss it later in the class. So, you watched this video already. We skip here. Here we go. Kevin, can you start us with the reading today? Can you read this for me, please?
This is making. Which snack will you choose?
So what do we have? We have option 1, chocolate chip cookies. And option 2, apple slices. Kevin, which one would you choose as a snack? What one do you want more? Chocolate chip cookies or apple slices? What do we want? Apple slices, okay. Now that is a very, very good choice. It's a very healthy choice. Why did you pick apple slices over chocolate chip cookies? Why should we choose apple slices? Apple slices are healthy and they are full of vitamins and minerals and nutrients, all of the things our bodies need. Chocolate chip cookies are delicious and we can still have them as a snack sometimes, but the better choice would be apple slices. Sometimes you don't want apple slices. Sometimes you want chocolate chip cookies, and that is okay too. You are allowed to choose whichever one you want more at that time, but it's good to practice decision making. So, let's see. Option 1, chocolate chip cookies. We have a lot of words down here that we could use to describe snacks. So let's look at these words and see which ones are right for chocolate chip cookies. Can anybody see any of them? What can we say about chocolate chip cookies? Philong, can you choose one of the words down here and tell me, for chocolate chip cookies, is it a positive, a good thing, or a negative, a bad thing? One of these. Are chocolate chip cookies healthy? No, they're not healthy. So we must not choose that word. Okay, let's try another word. Are they fresh? Yes or no?
Yes.
Maybe. If they're freshly baked, yes. Are they cold? Yes or no?
Yes.
They're not that cold. They're not like ice, but they're not hot. So maybe. Are they hard? Yes or no? Are they messy? Let me ask. Nguyenphuk, can you choose a word for chocolate chip cookies? Not healthy, because they aren't healthy. It needs to match the cookies, okay? We have messy, crispy, juicy, yummy. Which one for chocolate chip cookies? Nguyenphuk, are they messy?
Yes.
A little bit. Depends. Okay, let's have a look. We'll move on to apple slices. I think this is going to be easier. Okay. Kicham, can you choose one of these words for apple slices? Okay, it needs to be something that is right for apple slices. And then tell me, is it a good thing, positive, or is it a bad thing, negative? Kicham.
Yes.
Which one? You have to choose a word first. One of these, okay? One of these words here.
Fresh, healthy.
Fresh. Thank you. Well done. Are these good things or bad things? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Yeah, very good. Okay. 2 positive things about apple slices. They're fresh and they're healthy. Some negative things about apple slices. They're cold. That's it. There's nothing else bad about them. They're not messy. They're juicy, which is a good thing. They're yummy. They're easy to eat. They're not chocolate. They don't taste funny and they don't have high sugar. Okay. Hoang Viet, can you choose between apple slices and cookies and tell me why?
Apple.
Okay, why do you choose apple? Because it's
Because apple is healthy.
very good. Thank you so much. Great answer. Okay, so you can choose whichever one you want. There's no right and wrong answer. You can choose cookies if you like. I chose cookies because they're yummy. I chose cookies because they are chocolate. I chose cookies because they're crispy. Okay, you can choose apples because they're fresh or juicy or healthy or yummy. So you can choose whichever one you like. Okay, let's try and make a little test with this. So, read each sentence on the cards, decide which choice you would rather do, and give a reason why. Okay, let me try with Chi Nia. Can you try this one?
Would you rather
Have a snow cone
have a snow cone or
ice
ice
cream
cream
sandwich?
sandwich?
Which one do you choose? This one, snow cone, or this one, ice cream?
Sandwich.
Okay, why? Tell me why.
Why? Because sandwich healthy.
Okay, so snow cone and ice cream sandwich. Both of these are not healthy. Okay, and that's okay. Not everything we eat needs to be healthy, but we want to choose because we like one more than the other one. So my answer would be I choose an ice cream sandwich because it's yummy and I like chocolate. That's why I choose. Okay, so it doesn't need to be healthy or better for you. It's your choice. You decide. Okay, let's try the next one. I will speak with Sweeping. Can you try this one?
Would you rather
Play beach,
play beach
volleyball,
volleyball
or
or rather
balloon
balloon
toss?
toss?
Okay, so would you rather play beach volleyball or throw water balloons? Which one do you like more? Which one is more?
Balloon.
Water balloon. Okay, why? Why water balloon?
It's
Because it's fun?
happy.
Yes,
happy.
happy and fun. Great answer. It makes you happy and it's fun. Very good. Thank you so much, Sweeping. Okay, let me try Duxui. Can you try this one, please?
Would you rather visit
Build a
a sandwich
sand castle.
sand castle or
Sand castle.
I go fishing.
Okay, you tell me which one. Build a sand castle or go fishing? Which one?
Sand castle.
Okay, why? Why sandcastle?
Very fun.
Because it's fun. Okay, very nice. Very good. Thank you so much. Okay, Back to the start of my list. Kevin, can you read this question, please?
Would you rather drink a cup of lemonade or iced tea?
Okay, which one would you like more? Lemonade or iced tea?
Lemonade.
Lemonade, okay. Why lemonade? Why do you like lemonade more?
Yummy.
Yeah, very good. It is yummy. It's sweet. It's refreshing. It's very, very yummy. Thank you, Kevin. Okay. Be long. Can you try this one?
Would you rather go on
Vacation.
to the beach or mountain?
Which one would you like more? The beach or the mountains?
Mountain.
Mountains. Why mountains? Why do you like the mountains?
Because mountains very beautiful.
They are beautiful. Very good answer. Thank you. Mountains are absolutely beautiful. Lots of fresh air. Okay. Let me try. Hoàng Viet. Can you read this one for me?
Dear teacher, would you rather look for seashells or sand dollars?
So we have seashells here and sand dollars here. Which one would you look for? Which one? Seashells?
Seashells.
Sand dollars. Okay, why seashells? Why?
It is very beautiful.
They are beautiful. Great answer. Thank you. They are very beautiful. They come in lots of shapes and sizes and many different colors. They're very pretty. Okay. Ngọc Phúc, can you try this one for me?
Yes.
Thank you.
Would you rather you camping in a tent of a camper?
So this one, a tent or a camper?
Tent.
Camper, yeah, I think so. Why camper? Why?
Tent. Tent. Because cute. Very, very happy.
Oh, that's so nice. That's a great answer. I think a camper is a good choice because you have more space and you will be warmer. You won't be as cold. In a tent, you might be cold. In a camper, you will not be so cold. You have more space, you have lights, you can get cozy. Okay, it's a good choice. Great answer. Okay. Tram, can you try this one, please? Would you rather
Would you rather
live in
a tree house or a cave?
which one? Which one? Treehouse or cave for you? Treehouse or cave?
Tree house.
Treehouse, why? Because it's
Because
it's outside, because it's beautiful, because it's close to nature. Okay, lots of different answers we can give. Okay, thank you everybody for helping with the answers today. It was so nice to see you all. I'll see you on Thursday. Bye. Have a good